Alright, welcome to another weekly video on Myrtle Beach. Today is 4 July. It's about 12:46 in the daytime. It's 93 degrees. It's hot, but thank God we're close to the water, so it's a little wind. People are here. I'm here actually at this time because I am here hopefully to catch the flyover from the Air Force. Well, you know what I'm talking about. Different aircrafts. I don't know if they're Air Force or not, but anyway, aircrafts. There's a lot of people, well, cars here. There's actually a lot of people here. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. A lot of people here for the same thing, I think. I mean, but it's also 4th of July, so people are here probably regardless. Actually, a lot of people here, actually. It's hot out here. It's definitely hot. I mean, for a minute, I thought I felt the breeze, but I think it's kind of not a consistent breeze. July. It's a beautiful day. Look at the birds. I don't know if you can see the birds. I mean, hopefully, there's a lot of people out there on the beach. Look at all those umbrellas. Let's see if we can catch some of the people on the beach. People under shade in these areas because it is hot out here. It is hot. It is hot. It is hot. As you can see, the water, it is just spectacular out here. I can't believe how beautiful it is out here. This is the perfect day to be on the beach. Look at all these people on this beach. This is probably the crowdest I've ever seen this beach, ever. People are here really for the flyover. So we're going to just kind of walk out there, sort of.
You? Oh, yeah, I do.
Yeah, it is hot. It's hot. Look at that. Look at all these people out here. My gosh. Look at that. Everyone is out here. Look at that. All as far as I can see, this is the crowdest I've ever seen this beach. Now, if you've been watching my weekly videos, you know I've never encountered the beach being this crowded before. Look at that. Well, at least with this many umbrellas. Well, actually, this many people. Period. Look at that. Let's see if we find our pace. Oh, okay. I'm surprised this is. I guess this is kind of like a. Oh wow. Got music everywhere, so I don't know. I need to kind of avoid this music because I'd be a little disappointed if I was right here. And okay, they got music right here. Music everywhere. All right. Look at that. Oh man, there's a lot of people out here in the water too. So look at this. Look at all these people out here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Wow, wow, wow. I knew that wasn't coming, but it's supposed to be a flyover at 1:03 p.m. I think they're coming from the direction up there. I think Cherry Point, Cherry Grove, I think, or is it coming from? Yeah, I think they're coming from north to south. I think we're gonna find out in a few. Look at all these people. It is super crowded out here. Oh my gosh. Everybody's out here. It seems like everybody, wow. They couldn't have picked the perfect day to come out here. All right, let me pause for a second. No, you good, bro. Yeah, that was stuff. And like I said, I wouldn't plan on being here all this period of time catching. I just want to give a glimpse of what is flying by. Again, this might take 45 minutes. I didn't come in here for that. Look at it, all these people out here though. It's really one by one type thing. So, all right. So I think let me just go ahead and do a little walk down the street so you can kind of see the number of people out here. Everybody's out here. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and head back to the boardwalk. Yeah.
No, that's not our trouble.
No, es que aquí la vas a...
Alright guys, so you are in luck. Oh my God, it's hotter right here. Oh my gosh. It's cool as you get the people where the people are is perfect. You step 1 feet, a yard beyond that spot, it's hot. It's hot right here. All right, guys. All right, so you are in luck. I am in a good mood. I am coming back later tonight to check out the air show. No, not the air show, the fireworks. And I'm bringing you with me. So, I mean, this is my first 4th of July weekend here. So I want to kind of share it with you. So we're going to go ahead and pause this video and pick back up when I come back here later on tonight around 8:30, 9 o'clock or whatever. So I think the fireworks is at 9 o'clock at the 2nd Avenue, which I'm not sure if I'm going to walk down that far or not, but we'll see. Hopefully we can see everything from here, because this is where I can probably find parking spaces. So anyway, let's pick back up later on tonight. Before I go, I want to at least kind of show you just a lot of cars here. It wasn't that many when I walked up, so people are starting to come now on both sides, which is good. They don't even have the road blocked off on both sides, which is great. I'm surprised, actually. Which is the way it should be. It's a cruising area, you know what I mean? So maybe later tonight it might be. Well, we'll see. I didn't read anywhere whether or not there was road closed. But you see all these, it's a lot of cars. I don't know how far it goes back, but a lot of cars on both sides right now. So you can kind of see right here. I didn't go that far back, but anyway, people are starting to show up. All right, let me pick back up again later on tonight. I'll bring you with me when I show the fireworks. All right. Yeah, it's about 8:30 p.m. on 4th July. I told you I was coming back, so came back for the fireworks. Fireworks starts at 9. It's going to be at 2nd Avenue Pier. I am not walking all the way down to 2nd Avenue Pier. Right now I'm around 12th Street. I'm not going to walk 12 blocks, but I'm going to probably go halfway. You should be able to see it clearly from here, but I do want to get a little closer. There's a lot of people here. They didn't close the road at all. Okay, Ocean Boulevard is full effect. There's a lot of people here. Oh wow, there's a lot of people here. Okay. Yeah, the noise, wow. Quite a few people here, everybody here. I guess they probably be here all day. As you saw, there was a crowd earlier when I was here. So people are here enjoying it's a beautiful evening. It's a nice breeze. The wind is probably about 15 miles per hour. Kind of windy, as you can see from the trees right there. Then across the street, you see all the people. There's a lot of people in front of me, but you can kind of look across the street and kind of get a gauge what the crowds look like. So we're going to see, can we cross here somewhere? Pedestrians seem to have a right of way supposedly, so let's see if we can cross here. It's a lot of people, a lot of people. You hear the noise right there. It's a lot of people, okay.
She look good, she look good.
Yeah, it's a lot of, you got music? Okay, I didn't expect them to have music out here. I don't know if this is personal or public music. Okay. They got the band going on. So a lot of things going on here. So I have to keep talking to kind of cut out this noise. But a lot of people out here. You can hear it in the background. Okay, it's a loud band. I wasn't expecting a band here, but I guess you can see everyone is here. The music's here. Oh my God, look at this. Perfect night. The weather's perfect. Yeah. Look at they play. Oh, okay. I thought it was a record. I mean, had the band here. So okay. Pretty loud. Let me let you get a glimpse of the band. See what that sounds like. So you know it's showing up. I didn't expect this many people to be here. Look at it. Everywhere people are here. Yeah. Okay. Yes. I don't know. This might get. I don't know. Yeah. All right, guys.
guitar and dance with me.
There's a lot of people out here. Oh man, it may get muted, so I don't know. People got their chairs out here. People ready for the fireworks. You can see the beach is packed with people everywhere. I'm gonna see, can I find me a nice little spot? I think. Let me just kind of show you what the beach looks like. I'm not going out there. I already showed that what it's out there today earlier. You can see it there right there. Look, that's what it looked like. The beach. Quite a few people out there. All right. Yeah. Let's see. Can we go back this way? Yeah, everybody waiting. I think some of these people are out here all day. Yeah. Let's see if we can go try to get away from this music. There's so many people out here tonight. People are ready for the people ready for it. All right, guys. I think I'm away from the music, so let's see if we can find some. So many people here today. Look at it. Oh, I mean, wow. Everybody's here. It is crowded. There's a lot of people out here. Seems like the whole state of North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, whoever within 50 miles of here, or obviously from up north too. So there's a lot of people here. Look at this. See, could I get past some of these people? Guys, we're going to get a spot where we can kind of relax. Again, I'm probably going to stay over in this area right here, or any area I can find where it's not so crowded, and chill out in that area. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and talk because I don't want the, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. All right. Look at it. Everybody's just covered from the pool. Probably been at the beach all day, I guess. Again, you can see just from the flags, this is how windy it is. Look at that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. People playing volleyball at nighttime. People got their seats. People brought their own chairs. It is the perfect night to enjoy fireworks. Super windy out here. Super windy. Wow, you can hear the wind. Look at it. Hear it? Flags. Again, I think I'm gonna probably park here somewhere. It's probably a good spot. I don't want to be in front of no one, so I'm gonna probably park right here. Give you another glimpse. Like I said, it's gonna be at that bridge down there, which is the 2nd Avenue Bridge. I am not walking that far down. I can definitely see it probably from here. Look at all those people out there. Alright guys, so just to save time, energy, I'm going to pick back up when the fireworks starts. It starts at 9, it's 8:37. I'm not going to hold you. The next time I come back on, we'll be having the fireworks. And it's funny, they got the 9 o'clock curfew, but obviously they're not going to enforce the curfew tonight. I guarantee they won't. 9 o'clock, when the people coming out tonight, but that's probably automatic recording. Again, a 9 o'clock curfew. That ain't gonna be enforced. I'd be crazy to try to enforce that tonight. Now, if you are here 11 o'clock, it's a different story. But 9 o'clock, nah, I don't think you have to worry about anything at this time. Anybody under 17 years old without a guardian. So, all right, I'll pick back up at 9 o'clock. All right, the fireworks supposed to start in about a minute and a half. Kind of give you a little view from here. It's kind of dark enough, I guess you can see out there a little bit. I'm not sure. It's supposed to be down there. There you go, right there. Let's see if we can get a little closer. There you go. There you go. That was that was 23 minutes. I am not going to show the whole thing. I'm going to create a separate video for just some fireworks. and just kind of give you a glimpse
or guardian
of what I saw.
of the area. The curfew is in effect from 6th Avenue South to 21st Avenue North. And
Yeah, there go their recording.
property, common areas of businesses, and
Still a lot of people out
For
here.
information, visit police.cityofmyrtlebeach.com/curfew.
23 minutes, that's long. I don't know if that's the normal length or just because the 250 year anniversary. 250 year anniversary of the founding of the U.S. Was it just that long? I don't know. I mean, wow, that was nice. That was very nice. Again, you're gonna only see a few minutes of it. I'm not gonna show the whole thing. I'm gonna create a separate video just for that. You still got people shooting their own fireworks, which not supposed to happen, but it's always gonna be a few to break the rules a little bit. They got a lot of fireworks. All right, guys. That's music. Let me pause this. Cut the music. All right, guys. So I think that's gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I hope you enjoyed that little well, I hope you enjoyed this week video. 4th of July. It's lit in Myrtle Beach. I'm impressed, super impressed. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.